Welcome back to That Girl Jalyn YouTube channel. By the title of the video, you guys know what I have up my sleeve today, up my robe today, because your girl just got out the shower. Because by the title of the video, I am basically going to be letting my Instagram followers control my life. So I went on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Show me some love and go follow my Instagram. The Instagram will be in the screen below. All right, you guys. So I put on my Instagram polls and I asked this or this. What y'all want me to do? This or this? So whatever percentage got the most, that's what I'm going for. So the first question, wait. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And make sure you guys turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys like this video and drop a comment in the comment section below. Now let's get started. Okay, so I asked if you guys want me to be classy or do you guys want me to be chill? And guess what y'all put? Y'all put chill. Y'all put chill. Y'all must be tired of them fashion overhauls and those pretty little thing hauls and everything. Y'all tired of those? Because usually I think y'all will want me to be classy. So I got my outfit right over there and I got to iron it. All right, you guys, so here's my outfit. I just have like this little basic red shirt. Well, it's not basic because ain't nothing about me basic, boo. So I have this red just chill shirt. I need to iron it, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like some of my clothes don't ever need to be ironed, just my chill clothes, so I just be ironing them. So I forgot to show y'all my pants. So my pants, I really love these pants. They are Champion. They're just like a nude color. I need to iron these babies.
Just keep pretending that this is her life. No one will know if she isn't alright. Or just keep pretending that this is her life. No one will know if she isn't alright. Or queen of the internet. There's nothing of her left. There's nothing of her left.
All right, you guys, so now that I am dressed, I am going to do an outfit check.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah.
That is my outfit. Oh yeah, so I have this purse. I'm gonna show y'all my accessories too. This purse, my Louis Vuitton bracelet, my Cuban link chain, and then last but not least, one of my faves, my glasses. Ooh, so this one actually shocked me. So this was makeup or no makeup. Do you guys like more of a natural look? If you guys like me natural, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys like it with a full beat makeup look, comment. So I picked makeup or no makeup. Everybody picked no makeup. 58% people picked no makeup. So I am not gonna wear no makeup makeup today. Y'all, my face is like getting so clear, so I'm like even scared to put on makeup, honestly. But so I got out the shower, like I was saying. I literally got up, got in the shower, brushed my teeth, and I use this toner right here, this toner, and I use a cotton thing to dry my face and put this on. So I'll put this on right away. Now, since I'm not gonna wear no makeup, here's my without makeup routine. So what I do is I use this Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer Hydrant. So it really hydrates your face, makes it really shiny. You can get it at Sephora. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it and it lasts. And it comes with like this little magnetic spoon, so you could just like, you know, put it right back on there. So what I do is I just put this on my forehead and under my eyes. And I just like, you know, rub it in. Alright you guys, so in my next step, I use this dark spot repair. This is from Urban Skin RX. I use their product a lot. If you guys see, I suffer from like dark spots, so I'm just trying to like, you know, heal those up. So what I do is I take 2 pumps, rub it together, and put it on my cheek area, because I really don't get dark spots on my forehead, but I do get them on my cheeks. So, you know, just rub it on there. Alright you guys, so I wait usually about 3 to 5 minutes to let this all soak into my skin, and then I'll be right back. After 3 to 5 minutes, I use some sunscreen, because sunscreen is very important to add to your daily routine, especially if you're going to be sitting in the sun, or you're going to be out in the sun, or if you have just bright light in your house. You need sunscreen no matter how dark you are, no matter how light you are, no matter if you tan, if you don't tan, if you get a sunburn, if you don't get a sunburn, you still need sunscreen, because if you don't use sunscreen, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get dark spots. So I use the Urban Skin RX sunscreen. I really love there. I just do 2 pumps. I just put it everywhere on my face. And then I just, you know, flip my hair back over. And then I am ready to go. Next, after I, you know, complete getting dressed in the morning, I do eat. So I put on my poll, I said, do you guys want me to make a meal, or do you guys want me to drink a protein shake? I really do like protein shakes for breakfast, because they give me like an extra boost, and it has fruit in it, and it has veggies in it, so that's what we need. And you can put the protein to substitute the meat, but you guys want me to do a meal. So what I usually cook is one of my favorite healthy meals. I cook some eggs, so let's get some eggs. I use peppers and onion. These vegan sausages, breakfast, they're vegan. So I take 2 eggs and I crack them in a bowl. Alright guys, so breakfast is done. I really like to use this hot sauce. This is like the Mexican extra hot Valentina hot sauce, and I just put it on my eggs. And also you guys, I forgot to mention that 74% people picked meal, so that's why I got a meal. the next thing I asked was, I said, do you guys want me to jog or do you guys want me to take the dog on a walk? Callie is right here. Callie! Callie! Okay, so you guys picked take the dog on a walk, and that was 59%. So I have our little leash right here, and we're about to just go on a walk. Come here, Callie. Come here. Sit. Look at you, trying to be all in the thing, all in the grass. You being fat, girl. So we're about to just go on a walk. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it feels so good. It feels so good outside today. Like, I just wanna, like, you know, make a homemade icy or something, because it just like feels so good. The sun is out. Gotta get out these people's yard. Girl, come on. Look at her being in people's yard, and she wrapped me around. Okay, so we just walking, y'all. I want to go get some ice cream. Ooh, Dairy Queen. Yes. I need to get some ice cream. So usually we would just jog around the neighborhood and everything, but Callie, she just walking today. So I guess we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk this way, girl. This is what happens when she sees somebody. She always put her neck up like she looking, like she about to attack. Come here. You bad. So I am actually headed out, and I asked you guys if you guys want me to drive my Benz or do you guys want me to drive the Jeep. So 52% said Benz, 48% said Jeep. All right, y'all, so I'm in the car. I'm vetted out. I really liked it. I really like my car. Well, this is actually my boyfriend's car, but what's his is mine. What's mine is his. And so I am just driving the Benz. I really like my Jeep, but you know, it's what y'all picked, so whatever. So here it goes. And honestly, I don't have air in this tire, so hopefully we don't go flat. So I'll see y'all when I get there.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying.
So I'm at DQ. You guys, I know I am supposed to be quarantining, but getting some ice cream and going back to the house, so y'all ain't gotta worry about that. All right, you guys, so I put on my Instagram, I put, do you guys want me to get an ice cream or do you guys want me to get a malt? A malt is like a shake, and I think it was 83% people said ice cream cone, so I guess I'm gonna do the ice cream cone. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get a chocolate ice cream cone?
We only have vanilla ice cream. You can get it in chocolate.
Yeah, that.
Small, medium, or large?
Small. I got my cone. Sorry, the sun is like a little bit in my face, but yeah, so I got my ice cream cone right here, and I ordered something extra because my boyfriend, he was hungry and I was like a little bit hungry. We did eat breakfast, but you know, we try to eat like 3 times a day, and so why I asked for chicken tenders, right? And I asked, can I get some dipping sauce with it or whatever, and it was like, yeah, but it's 54 cents each. So I'm like, 54 cents each, and I got chicken tenders, like, isn't that what the sauce is for? So they said no, it comes with gravy. I'm like, gravy? So they charged me, they tried to charge me, but I changed the meal and I made it hard for them since they made it hard for me, because I don't like that. Like, if I feel like that should come with the meal if I got chicken tenders. Like, who wants gravy with chicken tenders? So yep, your girl got her ice cream. So good. And I got Nair a chocolate malt because he had mine yesterday and he really liked it. So this is so good. Y'all can bite. So I am in the house and I am settled in. I did everything that you guys wanted me to do today. So I am now about to go on my own schedule. I am going to wrap up this video. I did enjoy doing this video. If you guys want me to do Instagram controls, this and this and this and this, I have so many ideas up my sleeve that I would like to do. Also, let me show you guys what came in the mail. I got my Skims from Kim K. They came in the mail. I cannot wait to put these on and try them on and see how they look. I know they're super comfortable. I know she put all her effort and hard work into this. So your girl can't wait to put her slim, nice body into them. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Your girl got to get in the shower and get ready for tomorrow. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, comment in the comment section below. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up for me and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload from that girl Jalyn. With that being said, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.